For lesson 5, I want to show you how easy it is to download tons of free, really cool brushes and bring them into Photoshop and use them. So I'm going to open up a new document really quick just to play with. I'm just going to do 1000 pixels by 1000 pixels, 72 resolution and color mode RGB. And then I just want you to practice downloading a brush and loading it into Photoshop. So I'm going to go ahead and go to a browser. I'm going to go to Google Chrome, and I'm just going to go ahead and type in Photoshop free brushes. I'm going to spell Photoshop right. And tons of options pop up. The first one is a really great site. It's called brusheasy.com. So I'm going to suggest that you try this site first. And what you can do is go ahead and do brushes. And you want to make sure that they're free. So a lot of these ones that have premium, they might make you pay for them. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to pick, maybe pick this smoke brush. It's a free smoke Photoshop brush. I'm going to click on this thumbnail. And I'm just going to go ahead and simply click on this free download. It'll take a couple seconds. And I'm going to go ahead down to my downloads folder. Open that up. And it's still loading. It's actually a pretty big brush. It's about 58.9 megs zipped. So I'm going to double click on this to open it. Okay. And there's this file. It's a .abr file. All you do is simply, at least on the Mac operating system, I imagine it's very similar on PCs. I'm going to go ahead and double click on this, and it automatically loads it into my brush settings in Photoshop. So I'm going to select a brush. I'm going to go ahead and bring my mode back up to normal, bring my opacity back to 100%. And I'm going to go ahead and search for these brushes. I can find it here. Here it is right here. Free Smoke Photoshop brushes. Put it in its own folder. And I'm going to go ahead and just select the first one. I'm going to select black. And you can see it's loaded in here. I'm going to start. I'm just clicking and it's adding smoke. So yeah, it's a lot of work that might take you, a long time to do, and you can just simply download a brush and add a little smoke effect to your image. So go ahead and practice downloading a free brush and bringing it onto a new image. Have a little fun.